everyone, today's video is about eye mask. Before we go ahead with the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on future videos. To make this eye mask, we need a cotton pad. I have taken a square shaped cotton pad. You can take any shape. If you do not have a cotton pad, you can just use cotton or a reusable tissue paper. So to make this eye mask, the first ingredient that we are using is oats. Now we are going to make a oats milk. Oats has vitamin B12, zinc, copper, and very good for the nourishment. When we take care of our skin, we also need to take care of our eyes. These eye masks are very easy to make at home and gives you amazing results. I know many of us are in front of computers, do work for long hours and have very stressed and dark circled eyes. So here is a quick remedy that you can use on a daily basis or a weekly basis to take care of your eyes. To make this oats mask, I have soaked 2 spoons of oats in water overnight, and in the morning I have just grinded the soaked oats with a drop of vanilla essence. Once it is grinded, you will see something like this. It has to be smoothly grinded, and then we have to filter it out. Now, this eye mask you can leave it for half an hour to 1 hour, or you can also keep it overnight. But please do remember, this cannot be preserved for longer time. This mask is only for instant use, but it will give you enough result where you have to freshly prepare it and use it maybe the same night or immediately after half an hour of this preparation. Now the next ingredient is, here I have taken only half a glass of oats milk, and then I have put that oats milk into a plate so that I can soak my cotton pads well. Along with this oats milk, I've also added few more ingredients which is very rich in hydrating our skin around the eyes. Half spoon of aloe vera gel, 2 to 3 drops of jojoba oil which gives you very good nourishment, and few drops of rose oil. If you do not have rose oil, you can also use few drops of rose water. Now you have to mix it thoroughly, and then you can soak these cotton pads into the mixture. This has to be stored for 10 minutes in a refrigerator so that you will feel a cooling kind of a effect, or you will feel it's very cool and calm, and the aroma also gives you a pleasant feel. Now here is a mixture that is completely blended well, and I have just soaked it. To get a better results, you can use these kind of well hydrated masks once in a week. I have also made much more videos on different types of eye masks. The links are in the description. Please do go ahead and watch it. Do share it to your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on future videos. Keep watching. Thank you.